a ladder is placed 5 meters away from a building. Okay, here I drew the picture. So here's the building, here's the floor, and there's the ladder leaned up against the wall. It says the ladder is 5 meters away from the building, so there it's 5 meters away. Okay, the ladder comes up to 12 meters on the side of the building, so it's propped up 12 meters up on the wall. So how long is the ladder? So basically that picture forms a right angled triangle, agreed? So you've got your 12 and your 5, so I just do Pythagoras here. 12 squared plus 5 squared equals x squared. So 144 plus 25 is 169 equals x squared. Square root both sides, and x is 13. They want you to find x. Alright, grade 8, if you look in this x is in the very big triangle, the huge triangle. But is this very big triangle right angled? Do you see? There's no right angle there. I don't know that that's right angled. Looks like it, but I don't know. That's not right angled. So we can't do Pythagoras in this very big triangle. X is also in this triangle on the left, but which is right angled, because if that's a right angle, that's a right angle. Okay, but I have the 3 and I don't have this, nor do I have this. So there's two things I don't know in this triangle. It's not enough for me to do Pythagoras. So what you have to do is you have to go into this triangle, and there's a 5 there and a 3 there, so you can get this side here. And once you've got this side here, because you know this whole thing is 6, whatever this is, you subtract it from 6 and you'll have this, FC. You agree? And once you've got FC, you've also got the 3, then you can get the x. Okay, so our first job is to find out the length of this CD in this triangle. So I did it with Pythagoras. Just be careful, because in this triangle here we're given the hypotenuse, the long one, and then one of the short sides. So you have to use the minus formula, which I've got in this step here. There. Basically, that 3 squared plus the CD squared is equal to the 5 squared. That's how Pythagoras works. The hypotenuse is always on its own. So then I just bring the 3 squared to the other side, and that's where the minus 3 squared comes in. I know some of you do it this way right from the start. So you got 25 minus 9, which is 16, and then you root both sides, and you got CD is 4. Alright, so that side there is 4. Because that's 4, if this whole thing is 6, which we were given, that's 2. So now we have another triangle. And here's the Pythagoras. The x squared on its own, the hypotenuse, is equal to the 2 squared plus the 3 squared. So 4 plus 9 is 13, root both sides. X is the square root of 13, which is 3,61.